By identifying and prioritizing key habitat connectivity areas for the South Atlantic region, we hope to enable other conservation groups to more effectively protect the critical passageways that link together wildlife populations. Hi there, I'm Dr. Ron Sutherland, Conservation Scientist for the Wildlands Network and Principal Investigator on this project. In this video, we're going to provide you with a brief summary of the background and goals of our important research effort. We have three basic goals for the project. First, we want to map out current and future patterns of habitat connectivity across the South Atlantic region. Second, we want to prioritize which connectivity pathways or linkages are most critical to the survival of our target species. And third, we will be publishing our data layers and results in a way that makes it easy for other conservation groups to work together to protect the highest priority areas. In terms of target species, we have decided to focus on two groups of animals with quite different capacities for movement across the landscape. These include the top mammalian carnivores, such as black bear, red wolves, and Florida panther, and a subset of the larger terrestrial reptiles, including rattlesnakes, pine snakes, and box turtles. We will be using modeling software such as Circuitscape and the Connectivity Analysis Toolkit to map out both current and future landscape connectivity patterns for the two target groups of species. We then want to help conservationists prioritize which of these connections are most critical to the survival of our target species. We'll do this by converting the major habitat corridors and existing core nature reserves into an underlying regional framework for a spatially explicit population viability analysis. We will then test each corridor's importance by removing them one at a time from the population viability model and then observing the impact on the survival of the target species. By making our results freely available on the internet, we will facilitate a number of different approaches to connecting habitat for biodiversity in the region. Dr. Rob Baldwin, a connectivity expert at Clemson University in South Carolina, is serving as co-investigator on the project, and he and his students will be closely involved in the modeling efforts. We thank the South Atlantic Landscape Conservation Cooperative for providing primary funding for this project. We also greatly appreciate the private donors who have generously supported our work at Wildlands Network in the Southeast. Thanks for watching our video, and please let us know if you would like to be involved in the project or need more information. And check back soon for more updates on this important research.